Are you looking for the top 5 best Murphy beds for small spaces? Everyone thinks the best-selling Murphy beds are automatically the best one, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1. Feisai Bali Japanese Floor Futon. Let's kick things off with the Feisai Bali 6th generation Japanese floor futon. Priced at just $58.99, this isn't your average sleeping pad. If you want a space-saving solution that offers surprising comfort, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This futon is made with a unique 9-layer construction that includes 5 layers of premium padding. It holds its shape over time, so you won't have to deal with that sagging feeling that comes with cheaper options. The 100% high-density foam provides great support, which means you can say goodbye to those pesky backaches after a night of sleep. With dimensions of 80 by 39 inches, it fits perfectly in tight spaces, making it ideal for guest rooms or small apartments. Now, some people complained about the futon taking a long time to fully expand after unboxing. Here's the thing though, it's a common issue with phone products due to packaging. Just give it a few days and you'll get that full comfort. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, portable sleeping option that can easily be stored away. Skip this one if you need something more traditional or permanent, but for the price, it's a solid choice. Now,
Product number 2. Vecchia Bed Wedge Pillow. Next up is the Vecchia Bed Wedge Pillow, priced at $23.93. This isn't just a pillow. It fills that annoying gap between your mattress and headboard. If you want to keep everything in place while you sleep, this is definitely worth a look. This wedge pillow fills gaps from 0 to 6 inches, so say goodbye to the days of your pillow slipping into the void. The soft, curved top surface is designed to align with your head for a more natural sleeping posture. Plus, the high-density foam offers even support, which means you won't wake up feeling like you're in a hole. It also features convenient side pockets for your essentials, keeping your bedside clutter-free. Now, some users mentioned the foam losing its firmness over time. Here's my take. While that's a valid concern, if you're careful with your usage and follow care instructions, it should hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you're tired of your pillows falling into the gap and want to keep your bedtime items organized. Skip this one if your bed doesn't have a gap issue, but for anyone else, it's an... Product number 3. Vecchia King Bed Wedge Pillow, priced at $27.99. This one's a bit larger, making it perfect if you want extra coverage. If you need something that provides support and prevents items from falling off, keep listening. This wedge is designed to fill those pesky gaps while also providing head and neck support. Its triangular shape helps you sleep comfortably without needing multiple pillows. It's also got large side pockets for your phone or remote, which is a thoughtful touch. The removable cover is machine washable, so you can keep it fresh with little effort. Now, some users found the foam to be a bit too firm for their liking. Here's the thing, firmness is subjective, and while it may not suit everyone, many appreciate the support it offers. This is perfect if you often struggle with gaps and need a little extra support for your neck. Skip this if you prefer a softer feel or don't have a gap problem, but for those who do, it's a handy solution. Now, product number 4. Fancy Lion Foldable Mattress. Next up is the Fancy Lion Foldable Mattress, priced at $199.99. This isn't just for sleeping, it's a flexible sleeping solution that adapts to your space. If you want a comfortable option for guests without sacrificing too much room, this is a great choice. This mattress folds up easily, making it a breeze to store away when not in use. It features a responsive memory foam layer over a high-density base, giving you great spinal alignment and pressure relief. No more waking up stiff. Plus, it's perfect for Murphy beds, guest rooms, or even as a camping mattress. It's also CertaPure US certified, ensuring high quality and safety standards. Now, some buyers mentioned that it arrives compressed and takes a while to fully expand. Here's my perspective. A little patience goes a long way, and the comfort you'll get is well worth the wait. This is perfect for anyone needing a temporary sleeping solution that doesn't compromise on comfort. Skip this if you're not a fan of memory foam, but if you are, you'll love it. Product number 5. Rockscox Memory Foam Trifold Mattress.
Finally, we have the Rockscox Memory Foam Trifold Mattress, priced at $201.99. This one really stands out for its versatility and comfort. If you're looking for a foldable mattress that can handle everything from camping to extra guests, stay tuned. This mattress features a soft gel top with medium firmness, providing a nice balance for a good night's sleep. It's easy to fold up for storage, making it ideal for RVs, travel, or even yoga sessions at home. The breathable knit cover and non-slip base ensure it stays put, so you won't be slipping around during sleep or activities. However, some users noted it can have a slight odor when first unpacked. Here's the thing. This is common with foam products, and it should dissipate after a few days. Just air it out and you'll be good to go. This is perfect if you need a multi-use mattress.
So to wrap it all up, we had the Feisai Bali Japanese futon for budget-friendly comfort, the Vecchia bed wedge pillows for those pesky gaps, and 2 foldable mattresses by Fancy Lion and Rockscox for ultimate versatility. Each option brings something unique to the table, so you can find the perfect fit for your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find the perfect Murphy bed solution for your space.